Good morning, students. I'm glad to see you again, and today we are going to speak about seasons and weather. First of all, let's understand what the weather is. The weather is a word that people use to describe temperature and conditions outside. By the end of our lesson, you will be able to describe the weather and identify the season. By the way, how many students are there in a year? Yes, 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. And now let's look at the screen. What's the weather like? It's sunny, it's windy, sunny intervals, it's cloudy, it's foggy, it's rainy, it's stormy, it's lightning, hail, it's snowy, it's frosty, it's hot, it's warm, it's cool, it's cold, it's freezing. Weather report. Tell me please, what's the weather in Cape Town? It's sunny and hot. What's the weather in New York? It's cloudy and cool. And what's the weather in Beijing? It's windy and cool. What's the weather like in Mexico City? It's rainy and warm. What's the weather like in London? It's foggy and cold. What's the weather like in Yakutsk? It's frosty and freezing. What's the weather like in Sydney? It's stormy and warm. What's the weather like in Buenos Aires? It's hot and with sunny intervals. What's the weather like in Helsinki? It's snowy and cold. And now let's do it yourself at home.